Hi, in this demo, I will show you some of our key features. Let's start with visiting our website and click Download, install the app and activate the optional cloud. And then start our app, which opens the Explore tab where you can navigate all kinds of data sources. Our app supports dark mode too. Let me open my data lake on S3 and start exploring. Clicking on a file will give you an instant preview. Clicking on a folder will do the same for all of its children. This one has more than 1 billion rows. I will load random 1 million rows, which will be done in around 3 seconds. There are many things you can do with your data. I will explain using a popular data set. It is about predicting the price of diamonds based on several features. Let's start with clicking Analyze and then Profile. Once it's ready, you can select a feature and view its data distribution, correlations, and more. You can get a summary view too. Let's dive deeper into this correlation. Maybe we can predict the price by only using carat weight. I will create a graph. There is a lot of fluctuation in this data. Let me zoom in. I see that for some carat weight, the price can range from $10,000 to $80,000. Looks like I will need an expert to tell the price, or I can build an AI model. After a few minutes, I will get a simple but effective AI model saved into an Excel file. Entering some data, I will get predictions right away. I will also get a more advanced model, and I can use it by clicking the Predict button. The advanced model will usually produce a better result. For complex problems, you can share the details, and a technical user can navigate to learn more about your model. They can customize the model using the code we generate as well. You can also use AI models built with any system, search for, and pick the desired version. Having great AI models is only one side of the problem. Without good data, you won't have good results. And preparing data can consume up to 90% of your resources. With Practicus AI, you can quickly filter data or use complex filters, update wrong values to fix all errors, handle missing values, group by to calculate aggregates, and perform machine learning steps. You can also use more than 200 Excel-compatible functions, so you don't need to learn new functionality. If you prefer coding, you can inject Python code as user-defined functions, or use the advanced editor to code any functionality. You can use Jupyter notebooks right inside the app as well. If you work with someone who prefers to use Excel or Google Sheets for data preparation, you can export your data and share with them, so they can make changes and send it back to you. You can then detect their changes and apply to your data as new steps. You can easily view and edit steps anytime you need. When ready, you can export the final data to any destination, or you can read data from a different source, apply your steps, and save the final data to some other destination. You can repeat this anytime you need fresh data. Instead of doing this manually, you can automate the process so you can get fresh data and AI models, say, every night. You can test these data and AI pipelines right inside the app so you can go to production faster. And the good news is you can get started with everything I showed you so far without writing a single line of code. And then optimize with custom code only if you must. There is a lot more you can do to improve your production success and security too, including multi-factor authentication, enterprise single sign-on, and more. Please don't forget to download our app and get started right away. Thank you.